Sikhathi lesimnanzi kumkhakha wetekundiza nasesikhumulweni setindiza iKruger eMpumalanga International Airport.
The route will be served with an Airbus A330, and I think it's important to emphasize that Eurowings Discover is not a low-cost airline, but it's a modern leisure airline with a high-quality product.
Ligciwane iCovid-19 liukhahlametwe kakhulu umkhakha wetekuvakasha. Kanti ke kunelitsemba lekutsi lomkhakha utawuzuza kakhulu kuloku. Lolu hlelo belisolo lusetshenziswa kule minyaka lesihlanu leyengcile.
Going to assist us with the eMpumalanga tourism recovery plan, which we suffered greatly, as we all know, by the dwindling numbers that were caused by the COVID-19 lockdown since 2019.
Inkapani iLufthansa ifuna kwenaba iAfrika yonkhana.
We are confident that this flight will become a success, as we know that Kruger National Park as a global destination is very popular among German, among European tourists, especially during that time of the year, November till March.
Sikhumulo setindiza lebesikade sithulile sesitawuphitsitela nyalo. Kunetinhlelo futhi tekufuna letinye tindiza ukuthi tifikele khona lana kuze kutongena imali.